In poultry farms, one of the most critical factors for maintaining bird health and promoting optimal growth is the precise control of temperature and ventilation. In this video, you'll discover a best practice model for installing a tunnel ventilation and cooling system specifically designed for poultry farms. In this setup, centrifugal swamp coolers are mounted on the upper section of the walls at specified intervals on sturdy bases. These coolers deliver cool air directly into the hull without ductwork, eliminating pressure losses and inefficiencies caused by friction. What is a centrifugal swamp cooler? These coolers are designed for large spaces requiring focused cooling. They boast high airflow capacity, targeted airflow, and exceptional durability, making them a top choice for industrial applications. Cage-wise centrifugal air coolers come in three models with airflow capacities of 10,000, 13,000, and 20,000 CFM. Equipped with high-pressure double-furrow centrifugal fans, they generate powerful, consistent airflow to keep your space comfortable. Installation guidelines for centrifugal coolers. Install in open shaded areas. Maintain at least 1 meter of clearance around the cooler for unrestricted air intake. Ensure the cooler base is solid and perfectly level. Avoid installation near pollutant sources. At the other end of the hull, industrial exhaust fans are installed to expel warm air, harmful gases such as ammonia and excess moisture. This tunnel ventilation design ensures highly effective air exchange, creating a standardized environment conducive to poultry growth. For effective ventilation, always use exhaust fans rated for a static pressure of at least 150 pascals. KGY fans are engineered specifically for demanding environments such as poultry farms. These fans, with 180 pascals static pressure, provide a uniform airflow with no dead zones. Constructed with precision CNC machine galvanized body and fan guard designed for easy maintenance, these fans offer durability and hassle-free service. Installation tips for exhaust fans. Maintain a minimum of 90 cm clearance from the floor and 50 cm from adjacent walls. Ensure equal spacing between multiple fans on the same wall. Install on a flat level surface. Secure the fan firmly to the wall to prevent vibration. Position the fan guard inside the hull and the damper outside. Select the number and type of fans based on airflow volume and air cooler capacity. For further information on poultry farms products, detailed installation instructions, or expert consultation, visit our website or contact KGY specialists.